Turn the lift hanger assembly so that the sling hanger bars are parallel with the lift boom. With the lift legs spread, place the load testing sling in between the legs of the lift with the narrow side of the sling facing the lift mast. Attach each loop of the load testing sling to the nearest hanger bar hook. Raise the lift boom up so that the load testing sling rests lightly upon the floor. Push open the sides of the load testing sling to give ample room to place bags into the sling. Place the common bagged materials into the sling to reach or come within 100 pounds of the rated weight capacity of the lift. Do not exceed the rated weight capacity. Raise the lift boom using the hand control, toggle, or user interface until you feel tension on the loops. Pause and check that all 4 loops are secure on the hanger bar hooks, and then raise and lower the load with the lift. Listen for any unusual noises while operating the unit with the test load applied to the lift. Check all structural welds for any signs of stress or fatigue cracks. If any unusual noises or cracks are found, stop using the lift and call the Easy Way Service Department immediately.